Hey YouTube, it's your girl Ashley. Welcome back to my channel. If you guys are new here, then hey, what's up? My name is Ashley. Hope you guys joined the fun, join the crew, join the squad, and hit that subscribe button down below. And if you're one of my OG subscribers, then welcome back to my channel. Okay, so for today's video, I have a lovely wholesale plus size try on haul for you guys. This try on haul is going to be very holiday friendly because y'all know Christmas is coming up and we trying to look cute, okay? So although Christmas is probably gonna look a little bit different, we can still look cute and fly with some cute pieces from Lovely Wholesale. So I have all the pieces that I'm gonna be showing you guys here on my garment rack. So if you guys wanna see the pieces that I got, then just keep on watching. So the first clothing item we are going to be trying on is a super cute cheetah print dress. So let's get into her. All right, you guys, so here is this cheetah print dress. And first things first, y'all know I'm a sucker for cheetah print. Your girl loves cheetah print anything. And I feel like cheetah print is very like holiday friendly. Like if you wear cheetah print with the red, it's gonna look so cute. So anyways, here's what the dress is looking like. It is super cute. It's a little on the tight side. I did get this in a 4X. Just as a disclaimer, my normal size is a 2X, but when I shop on Lovely Wholesale, since it is a Chinese based company, the sizes run super small, so I have to get everything in either a 4X or a 5X. I believe this dress is in a 4X, but of course everything is going to be on the screen for you guys to see. So this is what the dress looks like. It is actually really cute. I do like it. It is a long dress, as you guys can see in the back. I hope you guys can see in the mirror, but it does go down past my knees. And I'm not wearing any shapewear with this dress, so obviously with some shapewear it'll like look nicer and a lot more smoother. But nonetheless, I think this dress is super cute. In the mirror you guys can see the length. It is pretty long. It is past my knees like I mentioned, but yeah, I think this is so cute. This paired with something red is really gonna make it pop. It is a stretchy material. It's not super stretchy, but it does have some stretch to it, and the fact that it's like stretching around the midsection, it's kind of giving off that white hue because the inside is like white lined, so it's giving off that white look, I feel like. But nonetheless, it is cute. I feel like it looks really good in the back. Like y'all seeing the girl in the back, like hey. So yeah, this is what the dress is looking like. I feel like it is super cute, super perfect for the holidays, and can be easily dressed up or dressed down. So I did reposition my camera a little bit just so you can see a little bit more of the dress. But yeah, it is very long. It goes down almost to my ankles. It's not quite my ankles. I think you guys can see the bottom of the dress in the mirror behind me. But yeah, I really do like the way how this fits. Definitely need some shapewear. A good pair of Spanx will do the tummy area some justice if your tummy area is a place that you struggle with, like myself, okay? But yeah, I do like the dress. I think it's super cute, and yeah. So the next item I have is this super pretty red dress. You know, red is perfect for the holidays, so I did go ahead and pick out a red dress. So let's try her on. Okay, so here is what the red dress looks like, and you guys, this dress is so festive. This is perfect to wear on Christmas Day with your family. This can definitely be dressed up or dressed down. I do really like the fit of this dress. It does fit the exact same way as the cheetah print dress. The material is exactly the same. It's stretchy, but not like too stretchy, so it kind of helps to hold you in. But I would definitely wear some shapewear with this because I feel like it'll just help, you know, smooth out any, you know, rolls and stuff that you might have. So yeah, this dress is a little bit shorter. This is more like knee length. The cheetah print dress was a little bit longer. This one is on the shorter side. But yeah, I think it is super cute. I love the way that the back looks, okay? The booty looks good in the back. It is a very much so long sleeve, so I love that. It's not short or anything. It is all the way down. The only thing I would say I'm not a big fan of is the turtleneck. I don't like the way that it was constructed because I feel like it doesn't lay properly. Like it just looks like an oversized or like a stretched out collar kind of. Like I just don't like the way that it looks. Like this is how tall it is, but like I don't know, I feel like it doesn't really give off turtleneck vibes, you know? So I don't know, it just kind of, I don't know, something about it that I don't like. So yeah, but besides that, I do really like this dress. This dress is in a 4X or a 5X, but like I said, it'll be on the screen for y'all to see. But this is very like perfect for the holidays. I absolutely love this. This is super cute. This would look really nice with a cute like cardigan, a long cardigan, like a black cardigan would look super cute with this. Or if you had like a shiny glittery sequence type of like jacket or something, I feel like that would look super cute with this. So yeah, with some heels or something, like girl, like this is even date night ready, okay? Not just for the holidays, you can wear this for a date night because it's so cute. I absolutely love this. So yeah, here is this dress. So the next item I have is this super cute tracksuit set, because not everybody is into dressing up for the holidays. Some people want it just a little bit more casual, a little bit more, you know, regular schmegular. So I did pick up this cute burgundy tracksuit. So let's try her on. All right, you guys, so here is what the tracksuit is looking like, and y'all, Lovely Wholesale did their thing with this tracksuit because I absolutely love it. So we'll start off with the bottoms. I do love the bottoms. I think they fit perfectly. They fit me all the way down to my feet, so I just love the fit of them. The bottom is slightly cuffed. It's not super cuffed, but it is slightly cuffed. And then the sweater has pockets here. It does have strings. It does have a hood in the back too. Obviously the hood is not going to fit over all of my hair, but y'all get the gist. It does have a hood. But yeah, I think this is so cute. Pair this with a pair of sneakers and you're good to go, because like I said, not everybody's trying to dress up for the holidays. Some of us want to be a little bit more relaxed, a little bit more casual. So this is perfect because it is in holiday colors. It's in burgundy, and you know burgundy and red are like holiday colors. So I think this is a super cute. I am definitely going to be rocking this. Like this is perfect for just running errands and stuff too. Like it's the perfect like get up and go tracksuit. So I absolutely love this. It is so cute and it fits really well. It's the same material practically like those dresses. I don't know what material this is. Most fast fashion places use this weird stretchy material. I don't know what it's called. I don't know if it's polyester or whatever it is, but yeah, but I think this is cute. I love this. And something else that I love about this is that the two pieces can be worn like mix and match. Like you can wear the pants with a different top, and you can wear the top with a different pair of bottoms. Like you could wear the sweater top with a pair of jeans. You could wear the pants with like a bodysuit. Like you could definitely switch it up, and that's why I love two-piece sets, because most times you can mix and match it with other things. So this tracksuit is definitely one of those. So yeah, I absolutely love it, and yeah, it's super cute for the holidays. All right, you guys, so the next item I have are these super cute bell-bottom pants. I'm super excited about these because I love me some bell-bottom pants. So let's try these out. Okay, you guys, so here are the pants. For the sake of showing the pants, I did lower down my camera so you guys could see. But you guys, I love these bell-bottom pants. They are hella long, okay? So long. Me and my little 5'3" self are not doing these pants any justice. Even if I were to wear heels, they would still be way too short. So I might just have to go ahead and get these hemmed. But you guys, I love a bell-bottom pants. These are so cute, you guys. Like, I love these. They fit so well. I love the way that they fit. They are extremely high-waisted, so it's perfect. You could wear this with a bodysuit or whatever. I just have it paired with this tank top. But y'all, look at these pants. Like, they are so cute. I love them. They're so flowy. They pretty much cuff here at the knee and then they flare out. So yeah, I absolutely love these pants. I love the way that they fit. They are so cute. This can definitely be dressed up for the holidays. Okay, put on a nice like sequins top or something like that will really bring off these pants. So yeah, you guys, I absolutely love these. They're so cute. So yeah, you guys, these are these pants, and yeah. Okay, so last but certainly not least, we have our last outfit, which is this three-piece set that kind of has this like Gucci print, and I say Gucci in quotations. It just has this red and green like design print to it, which is definitely Christmas or festive friendly because these are pretty much your holiday colors. So let's go ahead and get this on. All right, you guys, so here is the last outfit, and you guys, I love this outfit, but I also don't like it because there's components of this outfit that are bomb, but there's components of this outfit that are just like Lovely Wholesale. I'm a little disappointed, okay? Because I really wanted this to work out. So it's this 3-piece set. It's a cardigan, a crop top, and some leggings. The crop top is extremely short, so by the time it fully covers my boobs, it's like underneath my boobs. So I have it pushed down really far because I don't want to be showing too much belly. I hate short crop tops because I'm not one of those people who like to show a lot of belly. I just like to show like a little slither of belly, but this is just giving too much belly vibes for me. This is just me personally. If you're somebody who likes to show all of your midriff, then by all means, this is your type of crop top. But for me, it isn't so much. So yeah, it does have the green and red design here around the top. And then we have a pair of leggings. The bottom also has the red and green design as well, if you guys can see. But I find that the leggings don't fit all the way. Like, it doesn't go all the way up in the back. So like, I feel like half of my bum is out in the back, which kind of sucks. But what I do love about this outfit is the cardigan. The cardigan is everything to me. I will definitely be rocking this cardigan with just regular outfits, because the cardigan is definitely giving me like, yes girl, like I came here to play, I came here to slay, I came here to eat Christmas dinner. Where the food at, where the drinks at. Yes, like I love this. So this is what the cardigan looks like. It is very long. It is like down to my ankles, so I love that. Love this cardigan. If it had pockets, it would have brought this like 10 notches up, but it doesn't have any pockets. But nonetheless, it is still cute. I do love the concept of the outfit, but the crop top needs more space and the leggings need to fit a little bit better. So LovelyWholesale, just, you know, get those two things together and we're good, okay? We're good. So yeah, you guys, this is what this outfit looks like. It's super pretty. I love it. Definitely festive and holiday friendly. And yeah. Alright you guys, so that is it for today's video. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed my LovelyWholesale holiday try on haul. If you guys did, then be sure to give this video a big thumbs up, and if you haven't already, be sure to subscribe to my channel, because we have fun here on this channel, okay? So make sure you guys go ahead and join the fun, join the crew, join the squad, and hit that subscribe button down below. And I want you guys to comment down below and tell me what your favorite outfit was. I think for me, my favorite outfit would have been the cheetah print dress and the red dress. Those are definitely my favorites, and I love the cardigan from this 3-piece set. But comment down below and let me know which you guys are liking, which item was your favorite piece. I'm gonna have all the information linked down below, and if I have a coupon code, I'm gonna leave it down below for you guys as well. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.